reservoir pressure, rupture, and PSH and standby pump. That's okay. So guys, for this thing, I think no flow we have seen. Now question is more flow calibration. Am I going to take calibration or more flow pump calibration? This pump is calibrated or not calibrated? Or this is single speed pump, single stroke pump?
No, it is everything VFD.
Sorry?
It is VFD. It should be interlocked.
VFD,
interlocked with the feed pump of the screw.
Yes, yes. So I have to take it.
Screw interlock. Yeah. With the screw. Yeah. Yeah.
Interlock. But yes, yes. Everything these are
These are interlocked with the feed pump of the screw plate and the screw.
yes, yes, it should be, yeah. Once it is working, it should come the
Pump and screw.
yes, always.
Okay, now if VFD malfunction full running, so how do you control potential high flow, high pressure?
Not develop pressure.
No, it will develop pressure, no?
Oh.
If VFD is working full speed, so pump is running high speed.
It will discharge into flow closure chamber of the screw press.
No, it depends on the SV. If SV is not opening correctly and VFD is running full.
Then you have a torque switch here, no?
Torque switch, yeah, torque switch.
If there is no level in the tank, the alarm will inform the screw plate.
There is no interlock. And there is no interlock. Oh, yeah, interlock is there.
Interlock is there.
Yeah, interlock is there. Yeah. Yeah.
Screw press, feed pump and screw plate.
Yeah, interlock is there.
It is interlock is there.
Yeah, it is there. It is there.
Interlock and alarm.
Yeah, alarm is also there. And interlock is also there. For that perspective, it is safe. For more flow, I'm only able to see only VFD malfunction high speed, but we have got good safeguard. Reverse flow and from discharge is possible. So that we'll see.
Reverse flow
from discharge.
There.
Check valve is there, yeah.
There is possibility of reverse flow.
Yeah, standby pump. No? This PD pump is not possible, but you have the check valve, so we don't have any problem. High temperature. In this case, high temperature any case, the inside building or outside building?
It is inside.
Only HVAC system. High temperature. Weather.